Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The front of Caesar's Palace showcases some of the most recognizable classic-themed architecture on the Strip. Starting at the Trevi-style fountain area, the design immediately signals what Caesar Palace has represented for decades, a celebration of Roman-inspired grandeur. The fountain's sculptural figures, cascading water, and detailed stonework take inspiration from Rome's Fontana di Trevi, scaled and adapted here into the resort's iconic frontage. Moving along the strip-side path, the facade unfolds as a sequence of Rome-themed elements. Tall columns, archways, and sculptured reliefs line the building's lower exterior, arranged to create the impression of a monumental palace complex. Along this stretch, decorative niches display classical figures and motifs, forming a continuous visual narrative rooted in ancient Roman aesthetics. Further along, the replica of Michelangelo's David comes into view. It stands prominently as one of the resort's most recognizable outdoor art pieces. This full-height reproduction mirrors the proportions and styling of the original marble sculpture in Florence. At Caesars, it acts as both a landmark and as a part of the resort's broader tradition of incorporating detailed reproductions of classical art into its public spaces. Continuing along the frontage, the strip-facing side of the Caesars Palace reveals the scale of the property. The long curved pathways, manicured planters, and raised terraces have been part of this frontage for years, grounding the dramatic Roman theme with structural landscaping. Palms, trimmed hedges, and symmetrical garden beds soften the heavy architecture behind them while maintaining a formal appearance that matches the theme. Along this route, the grand circular structure of the resort's main entrance complex becomes visible. Designed with sweeping stairs, symmetrical forms, and large decorative urns, it reinforces the palace concept at the heart of the resort's identity. Although the circular entrance sits deeper in the property, the view from the strip side highlights how the exterior is built to impress at every angle. As the path continues towards the next intersection, a combination of updated signage, modern storefronts, and long-standing architectural features blend together. Caesars has expanded many times, and this section of Las Vegas Boulevard reflects the resort's layered history. Older classical elements alongside new retail fronts, all tied together by the resort's unifying Roman theme. This entire stretch of Caesars Palace frontage forms one of the most distinctive promenades on the Strip. The combination of fountains, sculptures, classical architectural elements, and landscape walkways showcases how the resort has maintained its identity as a grand Roman-inspired destination, while evolving around the demands of the modern Strip.
Mas é uma boa ideia mesmo. Run this picture. Why is my phone quality for him?
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.